Now we're going to talk about arrays and array manipulation in JavaScript. Arrays are powerful data structures that allow us to store and manipulate collections of values. Before we dive into coding, let's understand the importance of arrays in JavaScript. Arrays provide us with a way to store multiple values in a single variable. They're versatile and widely used in programming to handle collections of data efficiently. Let's start by learning how to create arrays in JavaScript. In this code snippet, we create different arrays. The numbers array contains a sequence of numbers, the fruits array contains a list of fruit names, and the mixed array demonstrates that arrays can hold values of different types. We use square brackets to enclose the array elements, and each element is separated by a comma. Once we have an array, we can access its elements using their index positions. In this code snippet, we access specific elements of the arrays using their index positions. The first element of the numbers array has an index of 0, so numbers 0 returns 1. Similarly, fruits 1 returns the second element, which is banana, and mix 2 returns the third element, which is true. We can also modify array elements by assigning new values to them. In this code snippet, we modify the first element of the fruits array by assigning the value pair to fruit 0. After the modification, we print out the updated fruits array using console.log, which is down here. Iterating over arrays allows us to perform operations on each element. In this code snippet, we use a for loop to iterate over the numbers array. The loop starts at I equals 0, and as long as I is less than the length of the array numbers.length, the loop continues. Inside the loop, we print each element of the array using console.log numbers I. JavaScript provides several built-in methods for performing common array operations. In this code snippet, we demonstrate some common array operations. We use the push method to add an element 6 to the end of the numbers array, the pop method to remove the last element, and the splice method to remove an element at a specific index. In this case, we removed it at 2. Finally, we print the modified numbers array using console.log. And that concludes our tutorial on arrays and array manipulation in JavaScript. We covered array creation, accessing array elements, modifying arrays, array iteration using loops, and common array operations. With this knowledge, you have the power to store and manipulate collections of data effectively.